Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Premiere Pro as a free trial on your PC. Let's get started. So first, open your browser and head to the search bar. Type Adobe Premiere Pro and press enter. Once you're on the official Adobe site, click on the first link that says Download Free Trial. Adobe offers a 7-day free trial for Premiere Pro, and depending on the plan you choose, this can extend up to 14 days. You can take advantage of this trial repeatedly by managing your subscriptions properly. Now, select Premiere Pro and click Continue. You'll also notice an option for the Creative Cloud All Apps plan. This includes Premiere Pro, Photoshop, After Effects, and many other Adobe tools. So if you need more than one app, that might be a better choice. Click Continue again and choose one of the available plans. Don't worry, this is just to activate your trial. You can cancel it later. As you'll see, the total due right now is $0. Click Continue. On the next page, select Credit or Debit Card and enter your details. Adobe will show you the terms of the trial here. Billing will start automatically after the trial ends, but you can cancel before the deadline, for example, before August 7th, to avoid any charges. Once done, your 7-day free trial for Premiere Pro will begin, and you can start editing right away. If you want to keep using it after the trial, you'll need to subscribe, or you can cancel and try again later with a different plan. And that's it. That's how you download and activate Adobe Premiere Pro's free trial on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.